Go.
Once upon a time, there was a girl named Bailey. She lived on a beach. There's ghosts and fish all around her and sharks. She went out really, really deep and nobody knew she was right there. And one night, there's a shark coming. And then she got bitten by on the leg. Then she was still alive, but then another night, she got bit by one bite, and she was dead. Then her ghost haunted that place for a long time. Then a shark took the ghost to a magical land. Then the ghost turned into a shark ghost.